Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students of class 6th, 7th and 8th. And this is also interesting for 9th and 10th as well. Today we will go for the practicals about the plants, their basic description, the leaves, the types of venation and etc. Mostly the topic is parts of a plant. Since you know plants are autotrophs, they make their own food because they have the presence of chlorophyll. The green color of the leaves is because of the pigment which is called a chlorophyll, and with the help of the sunlight it produces its own food, the process which is called photosynthesis. You all have read about that in 6th class and 7th class. You know about photosynthesis, the making of the food, glucose, with the help of the sunlight. The six molecules of CO2 and 6 molecules of water combine with the help of the sunlight and chlorophyll. They make glucose and oxygen. The oxygen which they exhale, plants, and which we inhale. We humans inhale oxygen and exhale CO2, and the plants in turn inhale CO2 and exhale oxygen, by which they purify the air present in the atmosphere. So let's come to the topic about parts of the plant. The part below the soil is root. This is root. Below this is root. What is the function of the roots? The roots have two main functions. They keep the plant intact with the soil. That means if this is the plant, it is erect. It is because of the roots. They hold with the soil and they keep the plant intact. This is a small plant, this is the big poplar plant, etc. These are the poplar and mulberry plant. They are intact because the roots have hold the earth soil, so the plant is intact. And the second function of the main function of the root is it absorbs water and minerals from the soil, and it reaches it helps the water to reach the leaves, so that the process of photosynthesis takes place. So this was the function of the roots. Above the roots, this is stem. If we take the case of social plant, this is stem. This is stem. If we take the case of mulberry plant, this is stem. The part above the roots, above the soil, is stem. Above the stem, there are branches. Many branches of plants. If you take the case of this mulberry plant, you can see many branches. If you take the case of this plant, you can see many branches. This is many branches. After the main branch, there are small branches. This is the small branch, and after that there are leaves. This is the leaves, and after that there is flower. This is flower, and the flower bears the fruit in the end. This is the fruit, and there are seeds in that fruit which hawk. So this is the parts of the plant. What is the function of the flower? There are bisexual flower, there are monosexual flower. The function of the flowers is to reproduce. They attract the bees, insects, so that the pollination occurs and we bear the fruit. This is the case of the flowering plants, and that is called pollination. The flower has male part, female part. They can be separate, they can be together in a single plant. This is about the pollination. And main thing, we will talk about the leaf today. This is a leaf, and this is also a leaf. The upper part of the leaf, this is called a lamina. This plain area above, this is called a lamina. And this part by which it is attached to the plant, this is petiole. If you take the case of the live plant, this is petiole and this is lamina. We will talk about the venation in the next lecture. So stay home, stay safe. Please use sanitizers, please use masks, please wash your hands with soap, and keep a good social distance. Thank you.